Welcome to Container Crops. Please check out the following clips from my channel members. If you like their content, please give them a visit and subscribe. Their links are in the description. Thank you for watching. Hey YouTube, and welcome to my channel. So today I wanted to update y'all on what I got growing on.
Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Oh my goodness. I'm so glad that you're here. I have a new computer today, so my picture is a little bit different. Good morning. Welcome to Natural Homestead. Aunt.
You know, in the garden and in life, like if you ain't growing what you're doing. And there's a time and a place for everything. And I realize that now. And so I definitely have had to take.
No, I had to give it a test drive. Oh, you all know that Odyssey is my favorite crochet hook. This is the third day that I've started to harden off my cold tolerant plants or seedlings that I've started inside here. And there's a mixture of carrots.
This is Crystal with Whole New Perspective. Guys, I want to talk about 5 areas that we need to be prepared in. But before I do that, I want to thank you for watching my videos. I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel.
Y'all know this is Carter. She was 3 feet tall. I had to chop her down because she died. Look at that, y'all. Carter is not dead, y'all.
A workshop, and the workshop was based off of a workbook that I created called Start a Garden Today. Now this workbook is a great resource for
I'm out here to show that I'm getting ready to put on my water filter on my water hose.
Hey loves, welcome back to TeeTee's Urban Pantry. I am back with the new pressure canner. This is a Presto 23 quart induction compatible pressure canner, and this is Old Faithful.
And see what's going on out here. We got any more babies. Yesterday I pulled out a chick. So now I've got 2 chicks in a box in my bathroom with the heat lamp. And
I'm with Sheree. Just popping in to share today's harvest. I've been running down to the garden, of course. I've shared a lot of daily harvests.
I'm Stacy. I made a few changes and I'm excited to show you how my garden is looking in May.